This video is terrible. Like, I'm gonna be a mess with this engagement. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. I am extra loud today, not sure why other than just the fact that this is the first day of March 2019 box week. I didn't know what month it was, but I caught it. And also, this is the first box week of Drew being engaged. I'm so excited. Okay, I've made a video about that yesterday. So if you're like, I got engaged and this is the first box week engaged. So this is the engagement box week. I guess, I don't know. So first of all, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew. I just got engaged to my best friend and I'm really excited about it. Okay, so box week is the best week every month. My YouTube channel is 1 week every month. Me and my YouTube subscribers. What am I supposed to say? Okay, you know what? If you like this, click subscribe. If you don't, I get it. This is not for everybody, but it is for somebody who asked me to marry them. I'm freaking out. Okay, I need to be cool. Also, I did drink Nespresso like I just finished it like seconds before filming this. So I am on caffeine right now. Also, we're going to be starting a brand new Stockpile Giveaway box. So like literally you guys have been so good, like when I pick a Stockpile winner, like the person like claims it like immediately. If you're like, what's that? So basically this box, I'm going to fill it up with stuff that I get in my subscriptions this month and maybe next month. Once it's full, I just post a video that's like, hey, you want to enter to win this? Cool, this is how you do it, okay? So tonight we're going to be opening up Ipsy. This video is terrible. Like, I admit it. Like, I'm in it and I feel like this is terrible video, but I'm still gonna hang. I'm gonna stay to the end with you guys, so I hope you stay to the end, because honestly I have no idea where this is going. I just got really excited in the beginning about the fact that it was box week and I was engaged, and then I lost it. So I feel like the engagement and the coffee thing, the engagement excitement has taken the like flustered box week to a new level of like, yeah! So Ipsy's $10 per month. And if you watch this video and you're like, wow, I want to check that out. I want to do it. Then down in the description box, there's a link you can click. You can check it out. Okay, so let's just get into it. Every month you get like 5 items. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping it. So Ipsy recently, I don't know, I've been kind of like on the fence. Like they've been one of the most consistent subscriptions, but like last month it was kind of like just okay, you know, to kind of get to that point. All right, so every month you get a bag. Let me look inside here. Okay, there's nothing in there. This month the bag says, and off she went to change the world. Okay, that's really cute, the like saying on it, but I don't actually know how I feel about like this deep rose gold color with this blue here. Man, that caffeine is just like got me woke right now. So I'm gonna open it and see what we got inside. So the first item I'm gonna pull out is a Morphe bronzer in the shade Debutante. Okay, so this is a Morphe bronzer in the shade Debutante. Actually, recently I was thinking, you know, I kind of wonder how like Morphe bronzers and stuff like that are. I'm having trouble actually pulling this out of here, but the thing is I just got a new bronzer and I'm kind of considering how much I'm actually gonna be contouring right now, like if I'm gonna start like letting that go now that it's supposedly spring. So I'm actually gonna put this in the giveaway box, but this is what it looks like. I can't get the box open and I don't actually wanna rip the box, because if I'm giving it away, I don't want someone to get like this ripped box and be like, oh, here's your giveaway prize, you know, whatever. So next item is Estate Do Me. Girl. D-E-W, Do Me. Baked highlight powder. My mouth started watering. I was like, baked highlight powder. I don't know if I'm hungry or if I'm just like interested in this highlighter. I was actually thinking today I need new highlighters, believe it or not. Okay, so first of all, the packaging is like so cute. It's like a baby pink. It kind of matches my outfit, so obviously they knew, and that's thoughtful and I like that. Next, we're going to be opening it up. Oh my gosh, it's literally like this like baby pink color. Look. Okay, we're gonna swatch it on the ring hand. I'm gonna be a mess with this engagement. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm gonna be a mess with it. I'm like, we're gonna swatch on the engaged hand. Look at that, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay, so I am excited to try this. It's kind of an interesting color because It's like kind of pink, but kind of silver, and I don't really know if I have much this shade of highlighter, so I'm excited to try that out. All right, next we have a Hava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. Okay, so I am actually gonna put this into the giveaway box. I believe I've tried it before and it was a little bit like strong for me. So rather than like try it again, I'm gonna put that right in the box because I want somebody to get to try it, because just because something doesn't work for you doesn't mean it won't work for somebody else. Next item that we have is, ooh, what is this? Ooh, Ciate Lip Luster. My mouth is watering again in the shade Wildfire. Y'all, this matches my makeup. Okay, we're gonna open it and we're gonna swatch it. Okay. Oh my God, look, 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 look how, look, just look, okay, you know what? We're doing it. We're gonna be messy and we're gonna just put it right on in the video so you guys look at that. Oh my gosh, this is a good bag. I'm so sorry I was throwing shade at the front end. That's usually how it goes. I'll be like, I don't know how I feel about these bags anymore. And then they'll be like, best bag ever. What's up? So they also have a card. Apparently it's National Women's History Month. That's really cool. Okay. And then finally, this is the last item. We have Space Case Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow. I'm really liking this bag. I think this is really well done. This is one of the best ones they've done in a long time. I'm actually really impressed with that. Okay, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's like a shimmery purple eyeshadow. You guys, look at that. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? All right, I'm swatching this because it's like a duochrome eyeshadow. And I feel like oh my gosh, stop it. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. I'm impressed. I am so happy with this bag right now. Like, this was so good. Like, I was like, I don't know how I feel about them anymore. And then they were like, you're gonna know soon, girl. And I was like, I'm feeling them now. So to quickly recap this bag, we got the Space Case Cosmetics eyeshadow in the shade Alien Love Child. And let me tell you, yes it is. We also got the Estate Highlighter, Do Me. I don't know why, okay, I know why it makes me giggle, but just like, okay, that's right there. We also got the Ciate London Lip Luster in the shade Wildfire, which is on my mouth and on the back of my hand. And then we got the Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask, which is going to be going into the giveaway box. And then we also got the Morphe Debutante Bronzer, which is going in the giveaway box. And then I'm also gonna put this bag in the giveaway box because I have so many makeup bags right now, and honestly, I don't know if I'd actually use it because the color isn't something I necessarily would like take with me places. So our giveaway box is starting off with a few items. Okay, so I need to put all this stuff down because I feel like if I leave it in my lap, it's just gonna get wilder. So that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew. The same one is down below. If you want to part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 2 of Box Week. Engaged Box Week. All right, talk to you, love you, bye! Like, so I have some, but like I'm engaged and I just like, oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. Okay, so first of all, business. If you're brand new to my YouTube